Hi everyone, I'm Omar Farook. I'm a multidisciplinary designer turned tech founder, and this channel is all about my journey building tech startups from scratch with minimal resources and trying my best to grow them to breakthrough success. If you're looking for practical steps to build a tech startup from scratch, this channel is perfect for you. I believe that multidisciplinary founders who acquire skills that ranges from design, marketing, team leadership, and tech setup have an unfair advantage when it comes to bootstrapping a startup from scratch with minimal resources. I've successfully crossed big milestones by doing this, and I've seen others do it too. The topics I'll cover on this channel is SaaS growth, productivity, UI UX design, user research, tech stack, SEO, paid advertising, VC funding, team management, and a lot more. So if you're interested in this whole area of SaaS, tech, and startups, go ahead and click subscribe to stay notified. Now a little bit about myself. I've been designing and building SaaS and tech products for the past 7 years. After graduating as a motion designer in London in 2011, I started pursuing a career in design whilst dabbling in a few side hustles such as e-commerce, e-learning, and even running my own agency. I had a bunch of wins, but also a few failures. Eventually, running a design agency led me to starting up my first SaaS company, Glorified.com, in 2016, which I run full-time today. It's a graphic design tool for e-commerce product images that I bootstrapped from scratch. Since 2019, we've generated over $1.6 million in revenue, and we also raised a $2 million pre-seed round led by Fuel Ventures UK. Glorify is evolving to become an all-round collaborative content design platform, balanced for both professional designers and non-designers alike. During this process, under Glorified.com, we also launched Together.Design, a productized service platform offering world-class, fully vetted, self-led UI UX designers for an affordable subscription, perfect for startups and scale-ups who needs a robust design system and high-fidelity prototypes so that they can build a much better product and get to market 100 times faster. The productized service niche has been emerging fast with ways to make the service model so much more scalable. Finally, I'm also building a personal productivity cross-platform app called Blitzit, which I designed myself during my paternity leave. Working on the same project for years, my mind has yearned for a creative outlet, so I poured it all into this. It's a little task list combined with a bunch of cool features such as Pomodoros, ETA timers, scheduling, and so much more. It helps remove distractions and keeps you in flow state. It's a little bootstrap baby project I'm building with a few colleagues of mine. Super excited about this one too. My mission is to build 3 tech companies, one to have a successful exit, one within the service marketplace space, and one fully bootstrapped with zero investment. My big goal for 2023 is to make all of these businesses hit $1 million ARR by Q4. So feel free to poke around my channel, and if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you around.